Hey, what's up guys? This is going to be a short video showing you guys how to find out the hard drive capacity of your PS3. And this one is a slim console, in my case right here, but it's similar for the original fat one. So obviously you need to turn on your PS3. You're going to need a controller as well to navigate through the menu. So you're probably going to get somewhere here at the beginning, and you have to go left till you get to settings right here, and then scroll down to system settings, hit on X, then scroll all the way down to system information, hit on X again, and right here you have your version of the software, and of course the hard drive capacity right here. So in my case is 111 gigabytes, which means it's technically 120. That's it for now. If you like the video, hit thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.